When the enemy calls you by your sins, God calls you by your name. Hindi lahat ng boses na maririnig mo ay pakikinggan mo. At hindi rin lahat ng maririnig mo ay tatanggapin mo. The enemy's job is to steal, kill, and destroy. He will put lies in your head to steal your identity, to kill your joy, and to destroy your life. Gagawin niya lahat para malayo ka sa calling mo at sa purpose mo. But good news, mas kilala ka ng Diyos. At walang kahit anumang bagay sa nakaraan mo ang kayang makapagpahinto ng purpose niya sa buhay mo. Your past can no longer define you. Your mistakes are no longer your identity. Your sins are no longer your highlights. Malaya ka na, pinalaya ka na. Maaring nagsimula ka ng mali, pero kaya mo pa rin magtapos ng tama. You are no longer who you used to be. When the guilt and shame of the past knocks on your door again, tell them that the old has gone and the new has come. With love and prayers, Noel.